So you want to learn to meditate in a week. And if you click on this video to learn to meditate in a week, you're kind of a dumbass. And I'll explain why. And I know I just started this video, I'm already roasting you, but you're tough, you're gonna handle it. I don't actually mean to roast you. And before you click off this video, I want you to put things into perspective. Imagine this. Imagine a young man. He finally musters up some courage and he enters the gym. He enters the gym with his ugly sweater. He walks in and then he looks to his right. Then he sees some big 6'8" muscular black dude. And this guy's deadlifting 600 pounds off the floor. Then to his left, he sees someone squatting an ungodly amount of weight. And then he gets intimidated because he's scared. He's like, holy shit. These guys have put in some work. These guys are massive monsters. These guys are strong. So he gets intimidated and he gets scared. But he musters up some courage and he does a shitty workout. He sits down. He does some bench presses. He couldn't lift it. He does some dumbbell curls. He couldn't lift it. And he gets pissed. He's thinking, why am I so weak? With disappointment in himself, he goes back home. He's pissed. So he Googles, how do I lift 500 pounds in a week? That doesn't make any sense now, does it? So I want you to understand, like the gym, with meditation, these things come with time. The gym, you have to show up and you have to put in the work. With meditation, you have to sit there and you have to meditate. And I think because of the nature of meditation, because it's all mental, people show up, they see no results for like a week, and then they leave and they quit because they see no result. Of course it doesn't work for me. I'm different. And I'm here to tell you, no, you're not different. I'm going to tell you a bit of a personal story. When, like a year ago, I started meditating, and I meditated for like a good 10 minutes. And I opened my eyes and I looked up and I said, I have just wasted my life. Because it didn't work for me, man. Like, what do you want me to say? I was like, I think I was like a 19-year-old kid. I'm like, no, hell no. Right now I'm 20, by the way. I'm like, hell no, I just wasted my life. I'm not doing this again. Of course it doesn't work for me. However, the last 2 months I've been semi-consistent with meditation. And what I realized is, imagine you start working out. I'm going to show you some pictures of the way I looked. I was a fat, ugly kid. Well, not that fat. Right?
Flashback.
Mama, may I have cookie?
No, Diabito. Roll back to kitchen.
Oh.
But I was a bit of an ugly kid. But every day I went to the gym. Every day without people, without my friends being there. I was at the gym alone and I put in the work. And then the first day, I felt sore. So I felt like I was doing something. But then a month passed, 2-3 months passed. I look at my body and it's the damn same. I look at my body, I have not made any progress, and I was upset. However, I kept on doing it for a year, for 2 years. Of course, within that time frame, I stopped working out, things happen. But for the past, I think around 6 months, I've been exercising, and my body is the best it's ever been. Not the best it can be, it's just the best it's ever been. And I want you to understand that a lot of those principles is the same with meditation. There are days you're going to meditate, and you're going to meditate maybe for 5, 10, 20 minutes, and you're going to realize, holy crap, I have wasted my time. But there's some days maybe you meditate for even a minute or for 5 minutes and you feel at peace. The point is, you want to do this consistently, frequently. You want to keep doing this. You want to keep putting in the work. Shout out to Hamza. He said this perfectly. Think of meditation as the exercise and mindfulness as the gains. And you realize, especially with me personally, the more I meditated, the more conscious my actions were. So have you ever seen this, right, where you're just walking through life, and then you're like, holy crap, I've done so many things I didn't even think of. For example, I just sat down, right, and I didn't actively think of it. It's just I just sit down, There's so many things we do unconsciously, and with meditation you want to be as conscious as possible. Because the more conscious you are, the more active decisions you make. You're not walking through life like, oops, you are making deliberate decisions, and decisions you made in your head, not your subconscious, you made in your head. So understand, you're not going to learn to meditate in a week. Because if you want to learn, honestly, you can learn to meditate in a week. Just sit down, close your eyes, and breathe. And guess what? So many thoughts are going to run through your head. And so many times you're going to feel like you've wasted your life. And you've wasted your time. But you're going to have to do it anyways. Keep on doing it. Keep on practicing. And slowly but surely, you're going to realize, focus better. Your consciousness is higher. You're more self-aware. Trust me when I say it's going to suck for a little bit. you're gonna feel like you've made no progress. But hit the gym, baby. Hit the gym, man. And hopefully this video helps out. This is the best I know. If you want to support a small YouTuber, feel free to leave me a subscribe and a like. And I also have a Discord down below. Please join the goddamn Discord. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.